Welcome to today's spoken English class. Good evening, students. Welcome again to my class. We are reading a new lesson today, that is expression of position divided into past position and present position. Okay. So whenever you are talking about your past, you say about your past position how you were. Like this: I was poor, I was thin, I was weak, I was naughty. About your past. Now move to present. I am smart, I am kind, I am intelligent, I am brave. Present situation. Okay. 2 round finished. First is past position round, and second is present position round. Now what you will do? Third round. Okay. Ready? In the third round, what you will do? You will combine the past position with present position. Getting the point now? Yes. Now listen. Now I am combining. Now I will give a demo. I will speak about my past and present together. Then you start. Ready? First step, good morning. Second step, reply is very good morning. Second step, how are you, friends? Suppose you are talking with your friends. How are you? You will say, I am fine, thank you. Third step, oh, you know, positive expression, you should say, you know. You will say, yeah, of course. Once I was very, very dull and now I am very smart. Yeah. Once I was thin and now I am fat. Once I was weak and now I am strong. Once I was innocent, but now I am very clever. Once I was proud, but now I am very, very humble. You can also join and add one thing. Instead of one, you can say two. Say like this: I was very dull and innocent. You combine the two things, 2 words with and. But now I am very cunning and powerful. Connecting and, you can add another word. It's a slow process like this. And then today you have learned using and with one word, and then tomorrow I will teach you about using but. They are the opposite. So plus and plus sense, and connect using and. If the plus and minus, for example, he is rich, coward, but will be there. Rich but coward, yeah, we say like this. So when the two opposite word connecting, use but. To positive word or to negative word, use and. Okay? Okay, students. This is a small video for today's practice. Right? Previous videos are also there where I have expressed about your past position, present position, and this is about position. Position also told there. This is positive round, and then we will have the negative round, then interrogative round, means the asking round. Okay, students, enjoy the class, and have a nice day. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please like and share and subscribe the channel. You will get regular tips.